I'm Mark Joye. I'm head of the litigation department at Joye Law Firm. I've been practicing law for 30 years now. My partner at Joye Law Firm is Ken Harrell, and he and I have been law partners for 27 or 28 of my 30 years of practice, and it's worked out great. And we both are very blessed and feel lucky that we can continue to do this together, and we love doing what it is that we do. The work that we do as a plaintiff's lawyer, which basically is you're representing somebody who has an injury. Maybe they get hurt on the job. Maybe they get hurt in a car wreck. Those are the kinds of things where people come to us to see if we can try to help them with their problem. They're coming to see the lawyer because they've got a problem and they've tried to fix it themselves, but they can't. Our job ultimately is we have to be able to relate to people on a jury. It easily is the biggest case that we've had as a firm. A family had just lost their 6-year-old child due to a defective latch in a Chrysler minivan liftgate, a car crash that happened here in South Carolina. And I represented that family in pursuing a products liability case that at the end of the day for a jury in federal court here in South Carolina agreed that this family should not have lost their 6-year-old child. In addition to trying to send a message to the manufacturer of that car, Chrysler Corporation then, returned a verdict of $262 million, which was the largest products liability verdict in the history of the United States up until then. If somebody were to ask me what was one of the more important things in my life that helped form who I am, I would, without hesitation, tell you it was my experience within Boy Scouts. It helps promote confidence in yourself. You also learn the important lesson that you need to give back to the community. But I also feel in the position that I am in as a lawyer, not only can I provide service for helping people with problems, but I also combine that with my experience as a Boy Scout and knowing that you really have a civic duty to give back to your community to help, and I happen to be in a position where I can render that help. All my hobbies are all outside, so when I get the opportunity to get away, I exercise a lot. Love being out in the boat. I love hunting and fishing. Anything that can get me outdoors, it's a good break for me. Becky is my rock. They're just those people, when they walk into the room, you kind of see positive energy, or you see sunshine. My wife is that. I have a 24-year-old son, I've got a 21-year-old daughter, and I have an 8-year-old son who definitely helps keep me young. When you're represented at Joye Law Firm, you're not just being represented by one lawyer. You got everybody involved who is doing a roundtable on your case to talk about certain issues that we need to fix or getting some idea on value of the case. I'm real proud of the lawyers that we have at the firm. They're doing an awesome job. They do such a great job for clients, and clients love them and they appreciate it, and that gives me great satisfaction. Come on in and see us. Meet the lawyer face to face. You're going to be telling them everything about you, and you're wanting them to know you, so come on in and meet us. Get comfortable. If you're comfortable with us, then know that we're going to be with you to the end.